we're going to discuss about the route stability criteria. We have discussed that for a system to stable, all the poles of the system must lie in the left half of a spline. For second order system, one can one can find the pole of the system by using hand calculation, but for high order system, finding the location of the pole is very difficult process. The route stability method provide an answer to this problem. Nowadays, calculator provide the facility for finding the roots of high order polynomial. Let's take an example for clear confusion. The example is determine the stability of the system, the closed loop transfer function. This is an example of router stability criterion. The characteristic equation of the system given by the characteristics equation of the system equation of the system given by the characteristic. This is the denominator part of the system is called the characteristics equation. The characteristics equation is to the power 6 plus to to the power 5 plus 2 is to the power 4 plus 2 is to the power cube plus 5 is to square plus 6 is plus 1. So it is called the characteristics equation. Step 1, for generating the router array, first first step is s to the power 6 plus 2 s to the power 5 plus 2 s to the power 4 plus 2 s to the power cube plus 5 s square plus 6s plus 1. The first row coefficient, first row, here the coefficient is to the power 6, their coefficient is 1, is to the power 5, the coefficient is 2, here the coefficient 1 2 2 2 5 6 is called the coefficient. The first row coefficient is a1, a1, a2, a3, a4. This is the first row coefficient. The second row coefficient is b1, b2, b3. This is the second row coefficient. From the first row and second row, by selecting the eliminating the coefficient, so in below, the second step is I want to write the maximum power of s. The maximum power of s is to the power 6, to the power 5, to the power 4, to the power 3, to the power 2, to the power 1, and is to the power 0. On this side I have write the coefficient first row coefficient. The first row coefficient is a1, a2, a3, a4. This is the first row coefficient, and the second row coefficient is b1. Here I have write the first second row coefficient b2, b3. Here the no coefficient we can write here the 0. This is step 2, and the step 3 is the b1 is multiplied with a2, b1 is multiplied with a2, and a1 is multiplied with b2, and last divided by b1, and then this result right here. So the b1 is within bracket multiply with a2 minus b2 into multiply with a1 is divided by b1. The same procedure I have applied here. The a b1 is multiplied with a3, and a1 is multiplied with b3. If the b1 is multiplied with a3 minus b3 will multiply with a1 is divided by b1. And third is multiply is b1 is multiplied with a b1 is multiplied with a4 minus a1 into multiply 0 by divided by b1. It is the procedure to find out the value of array. So it is and the example, and this procedure I will apply to this equation, then we will get a result of then we will get the result of the system. The system is stable. We'll see the system is stable or not. And to write the maximum power of S, let's start from the maximum power. S to the power 6, S to the power 5, to the power 4, to the power 3, S to the power 2, S to the power 1, and last one is to the power 0. Here the first row coefficient is 2, 1, 2, 5, on 2, 5. The second row coefficient is the second row coefficient is 2. Second row coefficient is 2. Second row coefficient is 2, 3, 6. 2, 3, 6. The 2 into multiply with the 2 here, multiply with 3, then the result right here, the 2 into minus 1, 2, 3 is divided by 2. Same procedure here. The 6, 2, 5 minus 1 into 6 divided by 2. The result 4 2 into 2 multiply with 4 minus 3 and a half. Their result is 0. The result is 0 0.5. Here 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. So 4 by 2. The result is 2. Their result is 2. The second is 2 within bracket 1 minus 1 within bracket 0 by 2. Their result is 1. So here the S4 result is 0 0.5. The result is 2 and so 1. Next is S3. They multiply with 0 0.5 is multiply with 3. Here for the s to the power 3, 0 0.35 into multiply with 3 minus is multiply 2 is multiply with 2. 2 to 2 is divided by 0 0.5 and second is 0 0.5. 0 0.5 is multiply with 0 0.6. 0 0.5 is multiply with 6 minus 2 into multiply with 1. 2 is multiply with 1 by divided by 0 0.5. The result is equal to minus 5. That is equal to 2. For the s square is minus 5 within bracket 2 minus 2 to 0 0.5 is divided by minus 5. So minus 5 with multiply with 1 minus 0 0.0 is divided by 0 minus 5. Here the value is 11 by 5 and value is equal to 1. For the s to the power 1 11 by 5 it multiply to 2 minus 5 into 1 is divided by 11 by 5. Here there is 0, there no coefficient. Here the value of this equation after calculation 47 by 11. Here value is same 0. For s to the power 0 the value is 1. For the given system to be stable, all the element in the first column of router array must be positive. For a given system to be stable, all the element in the first column of router array must be positive, but in this problem the negative sign appear in the first column. Negative sign appear in the first column. Therefore the system is unstable. The number of change the number of the sign change are 2 from s to the power 4 to s to the power 3. Thus the two roots align in the right half plane, then the system is unstable. In the above problem, the negative sign appear in the first column. There the system is unstable. The number of sign change are 2. The sign change are 2 from s4 to s3 and s3 to s2. First is the sign is plus, and then after the sign is negative, the negative signs after the positive. The two are signs are change. Thus the two roots lie in the right half plane. This is the router array in the system.